It's Noah Marley. There's not a simple explanation for the things that we feel.
That's right. Don't adjust whatever device you're hearing this on. There's no one word to tell you why we did these things. It's us, live and in stereo.
No return engagements, no encore, and this time, absolutely no request.
Settle in, get a snack, because we're about to tell you the story of our lives.
AP Chemistry, welcome to your tape.
Pretty good science behind it. Ethylene gas. We basically put either UV light or some other free radical when we get to the slime making. But if it's an even, regular mix, it's called an atactic system. It's just Kevlar. All these phenyl groups are real protective. I don't know if any of you monomers work the same way. It's just you end up with double bonds in the pollen. There's sodium borate back there. It won't all dissolve, there'll be crystals on the bottom. Something interesting about these whole systems in this way. Go for it.
Are you ready to chemistry?
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
I thought we were supposed to do something with glue,
I don't know.
but I'm not really sure. Can we eat it?
You can always
You can
eat it.
eat
Let's
glue,
make
right?
chloroform.
That was fun.
I don't know. They always know what to do.
Good.
Yeah, just watch them. That's what we usually do.
You need to get your water.
They're mixing it in cups.
Dissolve it.
Oh, it's important, right?
With the water.
But they're not wearing their safety goggles.
They're
doing.
It's gonna explode in your
Yes, it's
face.
in
They're doing lab wrong.
This is what not to do. This is how not to lab.
Lab safely.
Put in the 2 fingers of water.
All right, let's go. Shake. Like half a cup.
Of that,
Look what you got
how
there.
many does it take to dissolve it? Probably be 3 or 4.
Okay.
How much water you pour? How much water you pour the water out?
There's still a lot of yeah, water and borax.
Let's go like this.
And then do it right.
This is the usually
Good. You get a lot of borax. See, it's still kind of sticky.
Well, I don't know what to do, so.
Oh, this too. I'm just gonna start pouring stuff in cups, honestly.
How much?
The problem you're gonna run into is that they will grow.
Why are we using a pencil?
Because it's the only thing to stir this thing with.
We have stirrers.
Don't you think you should have your goggles on when you're mixing stuff like that?
No.
Alright, man. Do you see anything happening?
Are there
Yeah.
supposed to be crystals?
I'll check. Oh. Oh gosh.
They're fixing his face.
How do I turn this thing on? It doesn't work.
Instructor!
Say how thicker it should get.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Reed, mine is like a big old
I'm so sorry, girl.
Let me just touch it.
You're not getting color on
Okay.
Jesse, shouldn't you be doing something like other than eating? Okay. Alright, so should we go?
Yeah, go ahead and pour that in there.
You have Joe was read?
Hey, Noah, can you hand us the sulfuric acid?
What?
Can you hand us the sulfuric acid?
Yeah. There you
So
go.
this goes in here.
Yeah. All right. Dude, what the heck did you do? You put food in the graduated cylinder, man. Look what you did.
I think it looks pretty cool. Here, you want these back?
Instructor!
I don't think this is right.
What did you do?
No, it didn't.
Noah put
There may or
food
may
in
not
it.
have been food.
He put peanuts in it. It's a good thing. It's a good thing I'm not allergic.
Okay, well, clean it up.
All right. Let's just leave it for someone else to clean up.
I mean, why would we clean it up?
Are y'all being serious?
Two hours later.
Never played this one before. Really?
Yeah, because we did our AP exam on it.
Give me your paper. Look. You did all this wrong. Okay, now we have to start all over. You wasted all that paper. Oh my gosh, did you see what Jessie was wearing at the prom? It was, oh my gosh, it was very revealing. Like, I cannot believe she wore that. Where is she going? I have no idea. And then, did you see that girl? There was two girls that had the same dress on. I would not want to be that person. I feel so bad for them. Oh my gosh.
Ramadan. Here. Burris.
Here.
Burris.
Here.
Dodson. Here. Dalton.
Here.
Holloman. Where's Tiaja?
Oh gosh. I'm here. Okay. I can't run late. Again. Oh gosh, what time is it? Sorry, Miss Stevenson. Just running late for the TikTok this week.
No, you should be studying for your exam tomorrow.
Huh?
Study for your exam tomorrow.
Oh. Okay.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is stupid.
Alex! Get in here!
That's the homework for Monday. It's Wednesday.
Can't worry about that. Just gotta do it.
All right.
2 days later.
Thank you.
What'd you get? Well, let's see what I got. I got 100!
See me. Did anybody else get this note?
Well, you turned your homework in like 2 days late, so maybe better. Yeah. If you would have just turned it on time, you probably could have got a 90.
Can I get a curve?
Yes. Yeah, that was her homework. We've already turned it in. Did you know there's a back? What the heck? I think you need to get a little organized. Can I get an extended deadline? Dude, there was a back.
Turn in by the end of the day.
Well, I already cleaned my hands, so I can't give you that.
In AP Chemistry, I turned in assignments late a lot because Miss Stevenson has a really good grace period for that kind of thing, and you still get points taken off, but it's only like 10 per day. So I was bad about turning things in late, but I was good about studying, and I did a lot of helpful things like flashcards and whatnot.
I could have done my work because I literally did nothing all year long. I didn't do my homework, I didn't study, I didn't even try at all. And I got a really bad final grade in this class, and it woke me up to next year.
Labs are the hardest part about this class because it's like no instruction, no examples. Sometimes the work, but that's not that hard because it's pretty self-explanatory sometimes. But mostly the labs is the hardest part for me.
Even though I put a lot of time and effort into this class, I wish I had done more. I have a lot of outside of school activities and sports and other AP classes, so it's hard for me to put the time I needed to in to do well. And I still made an A, but I think I could have done a lot better on the exam if I had more time.
I tend to daze out a lot during presentations, especially during her PowerPoints. And so I'd have to go back and reteach myself, which was a lot harder by herself. And I'd ask her questions she had already answered, so I'm pretty sure Miss Stevenson picked up on the fact that I dazed out. And sometimes I'd memorize stuff as opposed to learning it. And so when it came time for the exam, I had to go back and reteach myself a ton.
There are a lot of things I wish I had done, but it was hard to do them because I didn't have a lot of time because of my other classes. But if I had had the time, I would have read out of the textbook instead of the topic book because they had more in-depth explanations and it was easier to understand for me. And I wish I checked the chemistry website every day because it had a lot of useful information and it would have made chemistry easier if I had used it.
So what I did bad is I would daydream and I wouldn't pay attention during the lessons, and then I would look at my homework and be like, I don't know how to do this.
The hardest part about this class was really just, it's supposed to prepare you for college, and I wasn't thinking about it in that way. I was still so used to
honors, and then I got an AP, and it was my fault because I thought I was just gonna go through it just like honors, and I didn't, and that was my fault. So yeah.
What did I do poorly? Pretty much everything. Like if I did it, don't do it, and if I didn't do it, do it. So like homework, tests, studying, quizzes, projects, labs. Yeah, about everything.
This year I struggled with a few things. They were, I didn't wait to do all my work till the night before, but I didn't spread it out as much as I should have, and so I was having to stay up later than I wanted to be, and I didn't study for my tests as much as I should, so I didn't do as well on my tests. I had problems with like staying focused when Miss Stevenson was like going over PowerPoints and stuff, and so I just kind of gaze and like not pay attention, which that was bad because then I didn't really know exactly how to do the homework packets and problem sets, and I struggled with knowing what to do in the lab, so I had to ask Mr. Reed what we needed to do a lot. So before you do a lab, you better be paying attention to what Mr. Reed says.
I struggled during AP chemistry because I was unorganized. Usually I would take notes and I would just take notes on a sheet of paper instead of in a notebook. So the sheet of paper would kind of get lost. And the next time I would take notes, I'd do the same thing. And then I used to, well, the beginning of the school year, I didn't print off PowerPoints until the end of the school year, which was helpful. And I should have printed off PowerPoints the whole year, so I could write notes on the PowerPoints instead of writing notes on a sheet of paper and losing a sheet of paper. And the homeworks, I should have kept the homeworks with my PowerPoint so I could have all the topics and all the work we did in the topic together, but I did not. And at the end of the year, you're gonna have to make a topic binder, and because I was unorganized in the beginning of the school year, it was kind of hard for me to make my topic binder because I didn't have any of my notes organized.
Before I took this class, I was told that it's a lot of work, it's frustrating, and it's very hard. And my attitude was that if I study and do my work and everything, I should be fine, because I did fine in honors chemistry. But it was actually really hard. I was not prepared for how hard it was going to be and how much time I needed to put into it.
I heard that I shouldn't take this class and that it was really hard, but in the end, I think it helped me for college, and it prepared me for what college will be like, and when I go into chem in college, I will be very more prepared than other people that didn't take it.
I heard that this class was hard and that it was a waste of time, that I shouldn't take it. I shouldn't waste my time taking this class, but I didn't listen to them and I decided to take it anyway.
I didn't hear good things. I heard people tell me to just not take it, to drop it, even after that was not possible, to drop it. I had people sign my yearbook and tell me not to take this class, that it was hard. So.
Alright, so the things that I heard about this class before I took it, I knew a lot of people that took this class last year, and a lot of them absolutely hated this class. Like, they said that it was the hardest class they ever took, and that I shouldn't take it, that I shouldn't ruin my life by taking this class. I found out quickly that they were just completely wrong, and the reason that they didn't like this class was because they just had a very bad attitude set towards this class, because they didn't do their work and didn't turn their things in, and the assignments weren't graded as hard as they are on us now. So the things that you hear about the class can be very different from what you actually experience if you suck it up and take the class instead of just going based on what you hear other people say.
Well, I'm on 3G. It might send down.
You need data to send messages?
Yeah.
What? You said yes, so I
You gotta
started.
say action or something.
2, 3. I can see your hands.
I wonder if this will stick.
So, Mr. Reed, okay, I did this.
Good, keep doing it. You just have to really work it now.
It just feels disgusting and it looked like eggs.
With nothing.
I'm serious.
So am I.
Noah,
Jessica,
I'm serious. Can you answer the question?
I did. I answered it honestly. 100% honest.
Okay.
Hey, it's Noah Marley. There's not a simple explanation for the things that we feel.
That's right. Don't adjust whatever device you're hearing this on. There's no one word to tell you why I did the things.
Okay, we need to change that to we.
Okay.
We need to change.
You know, there's a